Welcome back to Next Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS, a true performance icon that continues to push the boundaries of American muscle. If you're a fan of raw power, aggressive design, and cutting-edge technology, the latest Camaro SS might just be your dream ride. Let's get into it. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro SS comes equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that roars to life with 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. It's the same tried-and-true power plant we've come to love, but with refined tuning for even sharper throttle response and improved efficiency. Pair that with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a slick 10-speed automatic for those who want seamless power delivery, and you've got a drivetrain that's ready to dominate the streets or the track. Chevrolet has also upgraded the suspension system, giving the Camaro SS enhanced cornering capabilities without sacrificing ride comfort. With the available magnetic ride control, the Camaro adapts to road conditions in real time, making it versatile enough for daily commutes or weekend canyon carving. The addition of improved Brembo brakes ensures you've got the stopping power to match its speed. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Camaro SS maintains its bold and aggressive stance, with sharper front-end styling that features a more prominent grille and updated LED headlights. The aerodynamics have been tweaked for better airflow, which not only enhances performance but also adds to the car's menacing appearance. Out back, the quad exhaust tips and sleek rear diffuser scream performance, while the optional carbon fiber elements give the Camaro a modern, lightweight edge. Inside, Chevrolet has stepped up its game. The 2025 Camaro SS features a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials throughout. The seats are available in leather or suede with contrast stitching, and the optional Recaro Performance seats provide excellent support during spirited drives. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12-inch fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show everything from navigation to track performance data. There's also an upgraded infotainment system with a larger 10.3-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google Assistant. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Camaro SS comes with Chevrolet's latest suite of advanced driver assistance features, including lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. While these features are designed to enhance safety, they're implemented in a way that doesn't detract from the Camaro's performance-oriented character. Customization options have also expanded for 2025. New exterior colors, including a stunning electric blue metallic and the retro-inspired Sunfire Yellow, allow you to make your Camaro truly your own. You can further personalize your ride with optional stripes, blacked-out trim, and unique wheel designs. Of course, the Camaro SS is more than just numbers and features, it's about the experience. From the moment you start the engine and hear the iconic V8 rumble to the way it feels tackling tight corners, this car delivers an unmatched connection between driver and machine. It's raw, visceral, and yet refined enough to keep pace with modern automotive expectations. As Chevrolet hints at transitioning to a more electrified lineup in the coming years, the 2025 Camaro SS stands as a celebration of internal combustion performance. It's a car that honors its heritage while embracing the future, making it a standout in the muscle car segment. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS the ultimate performance coupe for enthusiasts? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest rides. This is Next Ride Review, see you on the next one.